Oh, wow. I love the prove people wrong, because like sometimes they might think I can't do something when I really can, and then when I do it, they might be surprised.
I want to thank George for everything. He's really an amazing guy. He's my hero. On back of my Thule box, it says Ski the East. Don't tell anyone. This is better. You know?
With 4 kids, a dog, and a fixer-upper of my own, I can definitely relate to the Marquinos. Larry and Christine certainly have their hands full, especially after their everyday lives changed forever.
Danny is a twin. He has a twin sister, Brenna. He was twin B. He came early. He was tiny and mighty. When he was 2, he had some random symptoms. We had been taking him to lots of specialists and doctors, and nobody was really too concerned.
Nobody was, yeah, it was.
Because he was meeting all his milestones with his twin. They were, you know, doing everything the same. We were very wrong.
Yeah. Danny was diagnosed with a rare form of pediatric brain cancer at just 3 years old.
They did an MRI of his brain, and then they did an MRI of his spine. And then the neurosurgeon came in and said, we'll give him 18 months. You should probably get his affairs in order. And I said, his affair? He's 3. He doesn't have any affairs. He's still in diapers.
Danny has bravely endured years of chemotherapy and still battles seizures and developmental challenges. Although he's not cancer-free, his condition is stable and his spirit remains unbreakable.
Danny is an amazing kid. He is the hardest working, most positive person.
Danny radiates positive energy.
He's always in such a good mood, no matter what happens. He's never talking about the negative aspects of things.
He just loves, and he makes you feel like you're the most important person in the room.
Life threw the Marquinos a curveball. Naturally, home improvement projects have not been their top priority. But that is where I can help.
Yeah, well, we have 4 kids and 3 bedrooms. So we have 1, and then the girls and the boys. This house was built in 1927, so everything needs to be updated.
It is a beautiful morning. It is early. It is freezing, but it's always exciting on surprise day.
If George came to the rescue for me and my family, I'd be really happy.
Hey, what's up, Danny? How's it going, buddy? How's it going? Christine, what's up, bro? Unbelievable. How are you guys? We just wanted to let you guys know that we're going to be able to come in here and fix your house for you.
We just got a knock at the door that George to the rescue came and he's going to rescue our house.
To have people in the world that go and help you, it's just unbelievable.
Thank you so much.
We met the Marquinos, and I found out that one of Danny's real passions was skiing. I had to bring my passion of skiing and his passion together. Welcome to my hometown of Steamboat Springs, Colorado. I cannot wait to take Larry and Danny skiing on this mountain. Woo!
Love you, brother.
Love you guys. This literally is bucket list for me. I obviously go to people's houses and surprise you guys at your house. I mean, but to be able to have you guys come to my hometown and do what you love most, which is skiing, I mean, does it get any better than that?
Oh, it doesn't get any better. We are so stoked.
I literally was taught how to ski on that run right there.
Wow.
By my father.
Wow.
So to be able to do a father-son thing with you guys on the very mountain where I learned to ski, I'm literally on cloud 9.
Very good.
All right?
All right.
Cool. Let's do this.
Thank you so much.
Definitely.
It's been a dream of mine since before I had children to come out west and ski with my kids, and I didn't even have any, so it's just been feel very blessed.
Hey, once you get the bug, once you get it, you can't shake it.
You know, and I like East Coast. On back of my Thule box, it says Ski the East. Don't tell anyone. This is better. You know?
We are lucky to be joined on the slopes today by STAR's program manager, Ron Southworth.
At STARS, we teach about 3,000 ski lessons a season. Regardless of disability, how involved, physical, cognitive, developmental, it doesn't matter. If you have a desire to ski, come to Steamboat and we can make it happen.
Okay, standing here statically, not moving, Danny, I want you to bend your knees and bounce your shins into your boots. We want to teach you to propel yourself down the mountain, and a lot of people want to brace against it, but if you've got the skills to be able to be here and be able to make those turns, just trust yourself Don't think about it. It's just skiing.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
All right, follow me.
Okay.
Downhill, turn it.
So Ron, where do we go from here?
We're gonna finish skiing high noon. We're gonna go down Elkhead, go up, start working our way to the bottom. And Danny, I think if you're up to it, we ski See Me, which is a black run to end the day.
That is fine with me.
Yeah, you
Cool.
go for a black?
Yep.
Black
Awesome.
Diamond Danny.
Awesome.
All right.
1, 2, 3, go.
There you go. Nice job.
Thank you.
Oh,
Wow. I feel really good about the black diamond I did today. I love the proof peel wrong, 'cause like sometimes they might think I can't do something when I really can. And then when I do it, they might be surprised. I really want to thank Ron and George so much for this really nice trip. It's been a great time.
I want to thank George for everything. He's really an amazing guy. I hope someday I can be like him, where every situation he's in, he tries to make it better. And then he doesn't end there. He tries to make it better again and again and again. And it's just remarkable. He's an inspiration to me. He's my hero.
The home improvement is one thing, but the experience is something that will last forever. And to be able to share that with the family that we're rescuing, I couldn't ask for anything more. It's just been an absolutely fantastic trip for not just Larry and Danny, but for me as well. I know they got a few more days here in Steamboat, but I got to get back to the house so I can finish it up. Hello.
Hey, George.
Hey.
Did you have fun on the slope?
Guess where I just came back from? Ski Town, USA.
Steamboat. Wow.
Happens to be my hometown as well.
Awesome trail map that you got framed.
This is just one of the many things that I brought back a couple souvenirs. I
Okay.
thought we could hopefully implement them in his bedroom.
Yes, well, that will go perfectly in Danny and Larry's room.
This right over here is West Side, and that
Right.
is the very first black run that Danny ever did.
No way.
And then he did, of course, Storm Peak, and he basically just dominated
Oh
the
my
entire
God,
mountain.
that's awesome.
So,
Yes.
yeah.
All right, let's
Proud
get,
of this, and I got a lot more,
let's
but
get it up.
let's figure out where we can hang it. Howie's been texting me up a storm. Oh my God, you kicked the frame! No, you're fine. Oh, hi. You guys still here? After he did this, I nicknamed him Black Diamond Danny.
Aw,
Yeah, he was no longer Danny, he's Black Diamond
I
Danny.
love that.
Hey! Missed you guys! What an amazing rescue experience. Not just what we were able to do for the Marquinos in their home, but the experience I was able to have personally with Danny and Larry in Steamboat. You guys want to see what we did?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right,
Yes, we
we
do,
left
yes,
no
we do.
stone unturned. Let's go.
Knowing George and watching all the episodes, we knew we had a great surprise in front of us.
All right, Larry and Christine, let's start with your bedroom.
It was like being a kid on Christmas morning. I felt the same exact way walking into the house. Like I had that same excitement.
Check it out.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Curtains finally! Oh, we're like really adults here, George! Oh my gosh!
My parents' reactions, it was fun to watch. My mom was really excited. I think it's something she's been waiting for her entire life.
You guys want to see what we did in your room? Yeah. Are you guys ready?
Can we stay for a little while?
Yeah, you got it. Here, Larry and Christine, you just take it in. You take it in. Check it out.
Oh, it's so
And
pretty!
let me show you my favorite thing.
Oh. That's so
Can I hug you right now?
Oh, of course.
Oh my God, it's so pretty.
Walking down the hallway to Danny's room, I had already seen what they did to our room and then the girls' room, and I knew his room was going to be extraordinary.
Oh my gosh! So good! I loved it because usually he's a little bit guarded. He's not always sure of how he's supposed to react in situations because he's not great with social things. Even one of the girls whispered, that's the most genuine reaction I've ever heard out of Danny, like really from his heart where he hasn't been guarded. And
He just loved it.
what is that?
Holy cow.
This guy, David Wright, he just, you know, turns out he's a fan.
Oh my
Really?
gosh! Danny boy, your favorite player!
Well, we have one last little surprise for you.
I can't
All right?
take it. I'll have a heart attack.
Are you ready for it? This guy over here, he's got something to say to you.
Welcome home, Danny. David Wright here from the New York Mets. Your new rooms look amazing, but there's still one more surprise for you. The Mets would like to invite you out to Citi Field for a one-of-a-kind batting practice experience.
Once I saw David Wright on that screen, my heart just dropped. And then I heard him say Danny's name and everything.
The David Wright video was my most favorite thing I ever saw on the TV before. Today has been a great day.
I am so proud of my Danny boy. He's come so far. He's overcome so much. It's just so nice that he's going to feel so special and remember for the rest of his life that he matters. And
He makes a difference.
he
makes a
does. He
difference.
makes a difference.
Oh my, that was awesome. Thank you so much.
Well, please. Thank you for sharing Danny with me. It's awesome.
It is really awesome to be part of George to the Rescue. I'm really happy to have him for a friend.
The George the Rescue experience is like unlike anything that I've ever experienced before.
It means the world to us.
For people to hear Danny's story and want to help the way that they did, it's overwhelming.
I always want my kids to know that even in the worst of times or bad things can happen and then good things happen just as much. We are forever, ever grateful, and I hope that we can take some of this goodness and bring it out into the world, and we're so, so grateful.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.